Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be learning how we can sign up in the Hinge app. So for that, firstly you have to open Hinge app from your mobile device. And once you have opened the Hinge app, you can see an option saying create account, which you have to click. And once you have clicked on the option saying create account, the first task is to enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, click on the purple button which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now type the verification code which has been sent to your mobile device. After that, you can either pre-fill your information by the help of Facebook or just create account. You will be asked general questions which you must fill. After that, you will be asked some informations which will be helpful in order to match you with someone. So take some time and enter your correct informations. So after entering some basic information, you will be asked to pick a video or photos which describe you. If you want to put some videos, you can click on the plus button, or if you want to skip it for the moment, again click on the purple button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And click on yes, I want to skip option. And after you have entered all the information, you will be successfully logged in your new account. So this was it guys. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.